Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the fern lace stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the double crochet stitch and the double crochet V-stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 6 plus 4. I have already made 28 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 5th chain from your hook. These chains and double crochet are going to act like a double crochet V-stitch. You're going to skip 4 chains. Into this next chain, we're going to be working 2 double crochet V-stitches. So first we're going to make a double crochet V. That's going to be a double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet all in that same chain. Now we've got to make another one to go with this one. So double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet all into that same chain. Same thing, skip 4 chains. Into this next one, make a double crochet V, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and then make another one in that same chain next to it, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet all together. Skip 4 chains. Into this next one, same thing, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet for a double crochet V-stitch, then double crochet, chain 1, double crochet all together for 2 V-stitches into the same chain. Skip 4 chains. Into this next one, double crochet V, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, then another one, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet all in that same chain. When you reach the end of your row, you're going to have 3 chains left. Skip to the last chain of your row and make a double crochet V by itself into that chain. So that's a double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet into that last chain. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 4 chains. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 double crochet. These 4 chains and double crochet count as a double crochet V-stitch. We're now going to work 1 double crochet V-stitch in between stitches. So this was a double crochet V from our last row. So in between these stitches right here, you're going to work 1 double crochet V. So that's double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. These were 2 double crochet V stitches that we made in our last row. Into this space right here in between them, make 1 double crochet V by itself. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Skip to the next space between stitches. This was a double crochet V, and so was this one. So in this space right here, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Same thing here. These 2 were double crochet V's. So in this space right between them, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Skip to the next space and make a double crochet V, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Same thing here. These 2 were double crochet V stitches, so into this space between them, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. Skip to the next space between stitches, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. Skip to the space between these 2 right here, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. Skip to this space right here between stitches, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. When you reach the end of your row, you're going to have this previous double crochet V here that I said this double crochet and these chains counted as. You're going to work 1 double crochet into the tops of these chains at the end of your row. Just 1 double crochet by itself. to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 4 chains. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 double crochet. These chains in this double crochet count as 1 double crochet V-stitch. You're going to skip this first previous double crochet V-stitch. Working into the next one, we're going to make 2 double crochet V into this space. So that's a double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet into that space. And then we have to make another one, which is a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, all into that previous double crochet V space together. Skip the next double crochet V. Into the next one, same thing. We're going to work 2. So that's a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Then another one, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, all together. Skip the next double crochet V. Into the next one, work those 2, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, all together. Skip this next double crochet V. Into this next one, we're going to work those 2 again, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, then double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, all together. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 2 double crochet V-stitches left. Skip the first one. Into this last one, you're going to work a double crochet V by itself, so that's double crochet, chain 1, double crochet worked into that last V-stitch space. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Fern lace stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.